here's how to use the tracking feature in Capcut. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and add an element. So we're going to go into text, add text, and then basically we're just going to add an emoji, like this crying emoji. That seems pretty good. We're going to add multiple. And then now we're going to expand it to the size of what we want to basically track. So we're going to want to track this water bottle right over here in the video. So the next, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the text that you just made. And then at the bottom, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the really end because it says tracking. You want to click on that option. So then now you're going to have this circle that pops up. From here, you want to adjust the circle to the similar size as your text, just like that. That looks like it fits pretty well. You want to make it slightly bigger, actually. And then now from here, you want to move that pretty much to where you want to track. So place that right over the water bottle. And then we're going to also put our emoji. So now, as you can see, both elements are completely on top of the water bottle. Simply click on Start Tracking. So then it's going to take a while for it to process everything. Tracking has been complete, and now as you can see, it is tracking the water bottle from start to finish.